Do you have a dreaded fear of cracking your voice? Do you want to go up there and sing, but you're just too scared because when you hit that high note, you feel like you're gonna crack like a frog? Whether you're advanced or beginner, that's a fear we all have as singers. Well, guess what? I have good news for you. Today, I have the answer for that. I'm gonna be teaching you the one thing that I learned to avoid cracking altogether. And we're gonna be going through 3 specific exercises that I use, that I was taught by the greats, that has put my mind at ease to never crack again. Hey there, voice coach Gabriel Brofato here from GB Voice Academy. I've been teaching voice for over 15 years. I performed on Broadway, Las Vegas, national tours, and I was fortunate in my career to learn from the best of the best. And here on this YouTube channel, you're going to be getting all the insight from the greats. Now let's get to it. What do you think the common causes of cracking is? A lot of people think it's nerves. I get nervous and I crack. Well, guess what? We all get nervous, all singers from all levels. I still get nervous when I go on. So nerves is not it. It's lack of technique. And more specifically, get ready for this, write this down, airflow disruption. That is the main cause of cracking. And I'm going to be showing you 3 specific exercises on how to do that. So stick with me to the end of this video because I want you to go through these exercises on a daily basis along with the other exercises I have on this YouTube channel to make your voice sound like a pro. These are all the insights the pro use. So what do I mean by lack of airflow? Well, that's exactly it. Imagine your voice is like a fire. And you need to constantly give it oxygen. Once you take that oxygen away, that fire dissolves. That's where the cracking comes in. Because when you cut the airflow, everything sort of collapses upon itself, right? Always airflow. Cut the airflow, what happens is that everything contracts and sort of collapses upon itself. Imagine it's like a house and you take the foundation away, everything falls on it. Our voice needs to rely and float on a foundation of air. And these exercises that I'm gonna be showing you does exactly that. But here's the thing, you gotta practice. It's not one and done. You gotta include this in your repertoire every day to really build the diaphragm, the airflow, to sing crack-free and beautifully. Hey, that rhymes, I just made that up. So once you learn how to control your diaphragm and how to let that air come out consistently without interruption, that's going to be the foundation of a clear, non-cracking voice. Imagine the voice is sitting on a cloud of air. You need that support throughout because once that cloud is dissolved, that's where the cracking comes in. So specifically, let's go through 3 exercises that I want you to do. Now, a good way to connect the airflow with your diaphragm is the Zizz exercise. I'm telling you, this exercise has been my go-to for decades, on Broadway, you name it. I'd be doing this in my dressing room like religiously. So, this is how the exercise goes. First of all, give me a Zzzz. I want you to really support from the diaphragm. Zzzz. See how engaged my diaphragm is when I do that versus Zzzz. There's no way I can give it power without support. Zzzz. Zzzz. Right? So, here's the exercise. Listen carefully. Zzzz. See how uninterrupted and forward that Z is sound versus Zzzz. Your job, keep it consistent like a laser beam. Here we go. And Zzzz. Good. Zzzz. Good. I feel an engagement in the diaphragm. If you feel it in your diaphragm, it's like you're doing an ab workout. Good, I'll do it along with you. Support from the diaphragm. Always moving forward. Nice. So now, that is going to help you connect your breath to your diaphragm and give you a laser-focused airflow without interruptions. So now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to add a ma. Mama is a great exercise because it puts the voice more in front of the lips. So what I want you to do is really eat those M's. Ma. Right? And as you do these, I want you to really be aware of your diaphragm, how it's supporting you, and how just like the zzz, it's giving you a nice, consistent flow of air without any breaks. Ma. Really eat those M's. And ma. Always forward. Ma. Support from the diaphragm. Good. Nice. You see how it's this very similar to the zzz in that there's always airflow going through, supporting that voice. Now let's add another element to the same exercise, and this is going to really be a game changer. What we're going to be doing is adding the vowels a, e, o, u into this exercise. Same thing. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Right? Here we go. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Good. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Always flowing. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. As you go higher, more support from the diaphragm. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Nice. So what you're going to notice that's different from all the other channels is I do the workout with you. I don't talk about it. This isn't theoretical. We got to get practical. We got to work on this together on a daily basis. Work the diaphragm, relax the throat. And on this channel, that's where you're going to find these exercises, where I go through it with you together to create that dynamic, crack-free voice that you've always dreamed of. I also have a link below to my 5-star best-selling singing course, Level 1 and Level 2 available to you. It's got testimonials from all over the world, from people just like you, whether you're beginner or advanced, who just have a love for singing. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get more content like this on a regular basis. Hit the notification, comment below. I'm here for you. Let's do this together.